Hey guys, so we're out here with Toni, Cesar in the background. Can you see him? Yeah, you can. It's Pedro doing this stuff, and we're about to do from trash to treasure. This was, I didn't coin this term, a friend of mine did, but yeah, we're basically going to go pick up plastic, see whatever we can get, and use that as startup capital to invest. And kind of show people that it's very possible. It's not easy, but it's possible. Anyhow, follow through, and yeah, hope you enjoy this episode.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me.
Alright guys, so we're out at Harborview. There's a spot that I kind of have come and just at lunch. It got really messy, so we're here. But like there's a lot of plastic because it's near to the river, so we're gonna actually do some cleaning up. As you know, I'm with the peeps. One of them getting the B-roll. Yeah, don't they have plastic? As we go closer to the beach, it should be fine. So, come on. Come on. You can just pile them in the meantime, so yeah. But in essence, I'm just saying green, half a go it green, and clear, half a go it clear. Yeah, it's just we want a bag for it. Oh.
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, oh. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey. The one that I can live without.
Back open.
Yeah. Yeah. Stuck. Hold on, I think it's here.
It's here?
Yeah, but hold it from the base. Yeah. All right. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you team. Travis, Cesar. Yeah,
Yourself, bro.
yeah man.
Every time.
Cesar, thank you guys for coming out. Toni, Pedro, you guys, I feel like that's a dent on a beach, a pretty beach that just needs some cleaning up.
Yeah.
So I appreciate it.
How small it is.
I don't think it's small. But yeah.
Give thanks, bro.
Yeah man. And guys, there's gonna be another part to this where we collect money and we show you what we do with the money, put it into the stock market. I'll probably link up Travis on that, and we'll link up some people in the stock market finance scene, and we'll talk about investing and investing your money. So the money you get from the trash, you turn it into treasure, because inflation now gonna kill it.
Yeah.
You're earning, isn't
Literally,
it?
no matter how small the amount is that we get from the bottles, I think we're going to do it a couple times, and then whatever that accumulates to, the aim is to like show how you can grow small amounts of an investment into a larger
There we go.
type thing. So
There we go.
trash to treasure. That's the concept.
Phew. All right. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Enough love. Keep safe during these times, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. It works. Stay tuned to the rest of. I'll edit that out.